Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered how to use AI to start making money online, but didn't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage AI to earn money online, whether you're a total beginner or looking to scale your existing business. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Let's break it down step by step, and I'll show you how AI can become your personal money-making assistant. First things first, AI is not just some futuristic technology anymore. It's here, and it's revolutionizing how we do business online. From automating tasks to generating content and even making investment decisions, AI is a game changer. So, let's explore exactly how you can use it to make money. Now, there are a ton of ways to make money online with AI. Some of the most popular ones include affiliate marketing. Use AI to optimize campaigns, analyze data, and drive more conversions. Freelance content creation. Use AI to write articles, make videos, or create social media posts that you can sell or monetize. E-commerce automation. AI can help with inventory management, customer service, and even marketing your online store. Online courses and digital products. AI can help create courses, design ebooks, and automate your sales funnels. These are just a few of the big opportunities. But no worries, I'm going to dive deeper into each of them in just a moment. Alright, so now let's talk about AI tools you can start using today. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Jasper. This AI writing assistant helps you create blog posts, social media content, and even emails in minutes. Canva. Canva's AI-powered design tools make it super easy to create eye-catching graphics and videos without being a designer. Shopify with AI apps. Shopify has AI integrations that help automate your e-commerce store, optimize product listings, and even run ads. ChatGPT. Yes, I'm talking about the AI you're watching right now. You can use it to help with content creation, data analysis, and even customer support for your business. Implementing AI into your workflow is simpler than you think. Let's take content creation as an example. Using Jasper, you can generate a blog post in less than 10 minutes. No more staring at a blank screen for hours. Once your blog is ready, you can use AI tools like Hootsuite to schedule your posts across social media, all automated. Once you've got the basics down, the next step is scaling. AI can help you track performance, find trends, and analyze data to improve your online business. Imagine using AI to identify which affiliate links convert the best, or discovering which social media posts are bringing in the most engagement, and using that data to make better decisions going forward. Alright, so now you know how to get started making money online with AI. Whether you want to automate your tasks, generate content, or scale your business, the tools and strategies are at your fingertips. But don't stop here. I've got a lot more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to make money online using AI. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Also, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you plan to use AI to make money online. Let me know what you want to learn next, and I'll create more content around it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make some money with AI.